Upgrade your power outlets with the latest technology. In today's video, we unveil the top 5 USB wall outlets where convenience meets functionality. If you're tired of searching for adapters or seeking a sleek charging solution, these outlets are a game changer. Explore the links in the description box for convenient access to cutting-edge USB wall outlets, perfect for modernizing your home or office. Now, let's get started. TOPGREENER USB wall outlet. The TOPGREENER USB wall outlet is a charging powerhouse with 2 USB ports delivering a total output of 5V DC, 3.6 ampere. Integrating IntelliChip technology, it recognizes connected devices, optimizing charging for safety and efficiency. The tamper-resistant receptacles comply with the 2017 NEC code, enhancing safety. With a 15 ampere, 125-volt AC rating and both back and side wiring options, it ensures easy installation. In elegant white, it combines functionality with style, fitting seamlessly into any space. This electrical outlet is backed by US-based customer support, a 1-year warranty, and UL-listed certification, affirming its performance reliability. ELEGRP USB wall outlet. The ELEGRP USB wall outlet provides versatility as a USB charger wall outlet, featuring both Type A and Type C ports. It delivers a total output of 4.2 amperad 5V DC. The Sine wall duplex receptacle is designed for high-speed charging, accommodating devices like iPhones, iPads, Android phones, and more. The smart chip optimizes charging current, while tamper-resistant shutters ensure safety. The package includes a wall plate, and the easy-to-install design supports side wiring and back wiring. With compatibility in mind, the ELEGRP USB wall outlet ensures effective charging for a variety of electronic devices, enhancing convenience in your daily routine. AMERISENSE USB wall outlet. The AMERISENSE USB wall outlet is a gain 30-watt USB wall outlet. That includes 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB Type-C, delivering a combined output of 6 amperes. Fast charging meets efficiency with gallium nitride technology, ensuring lower heat generation and increased charging efficiency. The built-in Smart IC chip recognizes individual devices, optimizing charging protocols for universal compatibility. Safety is a priority, with UL-listed certification and multiple protections against overcurrent, short circuit, and over. This wall outlet is a reliable solution for charging iPhones, iPads, Samsung, LG, HTC, and more, providing a seamless blend of speed and safety. ABBOTECH USB wall outlet. The ABBOTECH USB wall outlet is a high-powered USB wall outlet utilizing 30-watt gain technology. It boasts 3 USB ports, comprising 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C, allowing for simultaneous charging. With a total output of 6 ampere, it delivers swift and efficient charging for multiple devices. Sine technology ensures lower heat generation and enhanced durability. Safety is reinforced with a 5V ampere flame resistance material and built-in protections against overcurrent, short circuit, and overvoltage. The screwless design, inclusive of a wall plate, simplifies installation. ALASTECH USB wall outlet. The ALASTECH USB wall outlet is equipped with 3 USB ports, providing a collective charging capacity of 6.0 ampere and 30 watt. The dual USB Type A and single Type C port cater to various devices, offering high-speed charging. Tamper-resistant receptacles prioritize safety, preventing accidental electric shocks and tampering. This USB wall outlet, crafted from polycarbonate PILN metal, guarantees space-saving efficiency. Whether charging iPhones, iPads, digital cameras, or tablets, ALASTECH ensures universal compatibility, with easy installation supporting side and back wiring, compatibility with standard wall plates, and comprehensive safety features. This wall outlet stands out as a practical and secure charging solution. Charge up your life effortlessly with these top-notch USB wall outlets, seamlessly blending convenience and innovation. Experience heightened empowerment and remain connected to a realm of boundless possibilities.